Okay, welcome back to the session. In this class, let us talk about direction of what? Electric current. Direction of current. Direction of current. So, when you were in PUC first year, we studied the quantities which have magnitude as well as direction are called vectors. The physical quantities which have only magnitude, not the direction, are called scalars. But as per current is concerned, very interesting fact about the electric current is current has a direction. Current has a direction, but it is a scalar. Current has a direction, but even though the current is a scalar. The reason is very simple. Resultant of number of current. To calculate a resultant of number of current, we are not using laws of vector addition. Resultant of number of currents can be obtained by simple law of scalar addition, which means if number of currents are acting at a single point, the net current can be calculated by using ordinary addition. We are not going to apply the law of vector addition to calculate the resultant current. That's what the current is said to be scalar physical quantity. As I said, current has direction, but it is a scalar quantity. Current ge direction ide. Adru kuda current na now scalar anta karite. That is one point. You know very well, when current is flowing through a conductor, what makes current to flow through a conductor? The reason for flow of current through a conductor is flow of charges. Flow of charges through any cross-sectional area of a conductor give rise to the what? Electric current. Electric current ge main reason enatatandre flow of charges through given conductor. If there is no net flow of charges through given conductor along one particular direction, definitely the current is not going to produce. To produce current, charges must flow through any cross-sectional area of a conductor. Then only what happens? The current is going to flow here. Means current is produced. Current in a conductor is produced due to the flow of two types of charges. One type of charge will call it as a negative charge, that is called electrons. Current can produced by flow of electrons or flow of negative charges. Sometimes current can also produce by flow of which type of charges? Positive charges. Some situations in electricity, 99% of cases, we are taking the current which is produced by flow of electrons. That is negative charges. Flow of negative charges is main cause for production of what? Electric current. But it doesn't mean that only the electrons can produce the electric current. Electric current can produce by what? Even positive charges. Say like some ions can produce the electric current. Some positive ions can produce electric current. Therefore, the electric current may be produced by electrons, that is negative charges, and electric current may be produced by what? Positive charges. The current which is produced by electrons is generally, we will call it as electronic current. Current produced by the electrons or negative charges, we will call it as electronic current. If current is produced by positive charges, then such a type of current we will call it as a conventional current. Electronic current and conventional current. Try to understand the difference between electronic current and conventional current. What is electronic current? Current produced by the electrons or negative charges, we will call it as a electronic current. Current produced by what? Positive charges, we will call it as a conventional current. My question is, what is the direction of what? Electric current. What is the direction of the current? Answer is very simple. If current is produced by flow of electrons, the current is produced by flow of electrons, the direction of the current is opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ the direction of the current which is produced by the flow of electrons is taken opposite to the direction along which electrons are moving. ಯಾವ direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ electrons flow ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅದರದ exact opposite direction ನಲ್ಲಿ you are taking the direction of what? Electric current, provided that current should be produced by what? Electrons. Say for example, if the electrons in a conductor are moving along this direction, if electrons in a conductor are moving along this direction, if I ask what is the direction of the current here, the direction of the current is opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. A ನಿಂದ B ಗೆ electrons flow ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ the direction of the current should be taken from what? B to A, opposite direction. This is the direction of current, this is the direction of flow of what? Electrons. So on the basis of that we are going to decide the direction of the current. Concentrate here. Direction of electronic current. Direction of electronic current is always opposite to direction of what? Flow of electrons. Electron ಯಾವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ ಅದರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ opposite direction ನಲ್ಲಿ direction of the current ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Suppose if current is produced by positive charges, many positive ions can produce the current. Suppose if electric current is produced by positive charges, suppose electric current is produced by positive charges, in which direction the positive charges are flowing, that is the direction of the current. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ the direction of the current produced by the positive charges is taken in the same direction of flow of positive charges. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್, say for example electrons, suppose if it is produced by electrons, then the direction of the current is taken opposite. If it is produced by positive charge, then the direction of the current is taken in the same direction of flow of positive charge. Point is clear? I will let you know the points here. What? If direction of the current, if the current is produced by electrons, the direction of the current is opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. If the current is produced by what? Positive charges or positive ions, the direction of the what? Direction of the current is in the same direction of what? Flow of positive charge. So this is how we are going to what? Determine the direction of what? The current here. Simple way ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇಂದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? Opposite to direction of flow of electrons. I have a chamber, or else I have a gas filled tube. I have gas filled tube. Through this gas filled tube, say for example 10 electrons are flowing from end A to end B. Say for example 10 electrons are flowing from end A to end B. At the same time 10 positive ions Let me take one simple example to understand the direction of a current here. Imagine that I have a container or gas filled tube it is, in which I have electrons, that is negatively charged electrons, as well as positive ions. I have positive ions. In this gas filled tube, that gas contains negatively charged electrons as well as what? The positively charged ions. Positive ions niddavilli, negative electrons nidda. Okay. Across this conductor or across this gas filled tube, I am connecting a battery. I am giving some potential difference here. When the potential difference is applied, you know very well, ions and electrons will start moving from one end of a conductor to what? Another end of a conductor. Obviously, they are not going to move in same direction. Electrons one direction nalli flow ಆದರೆ positive ions ಇನ್ನೊಂದು direction nalli flow ಆಗ್ತವೆ, opposite direction nalli flow ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Quite natural. So I will take an example here. I will take only example of what? One electron and one positive ion. When potential difference or voltage is applied, what happens to this electron? This electron is attracted by what? Positive of a battery. This electron is attracted by positive of a battery. Therefore, the electron will move along this direction. Electron will move along this direction. Simultaneously, this positive ion is attracted by what? Negative of a battery. Therefore, this positive ion will move along this direction. The positive ion will move along this direction. Negative charges, that is electrons, are going to move along this direction. That is from all electrons will move from B to A, and all positive ions will move from what? A to B. My question is, what is the current here? How you are going to calculate the current? Here current is not only produced by the electron, the current is also produced by what? Positive ions. Tell me what is the direction of the current produced by negative charges, that is electrons. That I will call it as a I minus. I minus is a current which is produced by electrons, and I plus is a current which is produced by positive ions, because positive ions are also moving, electrons are also moving. As per the definition of current, when the charges are in the state of motion, of course the current is going to produce here. Therefore, let me know what is the direction of the current produced by negative charge, what is the direction of the current produced by the positive charge here. Just tell me. If current is produced by negative charge, its direction is taken in the opposite direction of what? Negative charges. Negative charge is flowing from what? B to A. Negative charge is flowing from B to A. Therefore, the current produced by the negative charge should be opposite to the direction at which negative charge is flowing. Therefore, I minus should be taken from what? A to B. I minus should be taken from A to B. If current is produced by positive charge, in which direction the positive charge is flowing, the direction of the current is in the same direction of flow of positive charges. Therefore, the current produced by positive charges should be in the same direction of flow of positive charge. Here positive charge is flowing from A to B, therefore the current direction is also from A to B. Look at the direction of the current produced by negative charge and the direction of the current produced by positive charge. Both the currents have the same direction. Therefore, what is the net current? The net current is given by current produced by positive charge plus current produced by negative charge, because both the currents are acting in the same direction. Artha aita? Whether the current is produced by negative charges, current is produced by what? Positive charges, net current should be net current should be sum of current produced by positive charge and current produced by what? Negative charge, even though they are moving in the opposite direction. Okay, this discussion you watch repeatedly so that you will get the grip over concept.